Netgear Nighthawk EX7700 tri-band Wi-Fi extender. Step 1. Unbox the extender, remove all packaging and ensure all components, extender, manual, power adapter, are present. Step 2. Plug in the extender, connect the extender to a power outlet near your router and wait for the power LED to turn solid green. Step 3. Connect to the extender network. Use your device to connect to the extender's default Wi-Fi network, e.g., Netgear_EXT. Step 4. Open a web browser, launch a browser on the connected device and go to http://mywifixt.net or http://192.168.1.250. Step 5. Log in or create an account. Log in with your Netgear account or create a new one if prompted. Step 6. Select Wi-Fi network to extend, choose your router's Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and follow on-screen instructions to connect. Step 7. Relocate the extender. Unplug the extender and move it halfway between your router and the desired Wi-Fi coverage area. Plug it in and wait for the LEDs to stabilize. Step 8. Check signal strength. Ensure the LED indicators, such as signal or router link LEDs, show a strong connection. Move the extender if needed. Step 9. Connect devices to the extender. Connect your devices to the extender's new extended network, with _EXT at the end of the network name. Step 10. Test the connection. Ensure your devices can browse the internet smoothly from the extended Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching.